If you've ever clicked a link in Telegram on your computer and wondered why it opens in your browser instead of inside the app, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to open links inside the Telegram app on PC. What's actually happening when you click those blue underlined links and the simple way to handle them so you can get to the content faster. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and software how-tos. Let's get right into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and go to any chat that contains a link. You'll usually notice the link is blue and underlined, which means Telegram recognizes it as a clickable web address. Now, here's the important part. On Telegram for PC, external links are designed to open in your computer's default web browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. So when you click the link, Telegram sends you directly to the browser version of that page. This is normal behavior, and it's how Telegram handles most outside websites on desktop. To open the link, simply click it once. If the link is a web page, Telegram will launch your default browser automatically and load the content there. If nothing happens, make sure your browser is set as the default browser on your computer, because Telegram uses that setting to decide where to open the link. If you're trying to view the link inside the Telegram app itself, the desktop version doesn't really embed most external sites the way a browser would. Instead, it hands the link off to your browser for a smoother and safer experience. That means the fastest way to access the content is just to click the link and let Telegram open it in your browser. If you want a better workflow, you can also right-click the link and copy it, then paste it anywhere you want. But for most users, a simple click is all you need. One more thing to keep in mind is that Telegram links to channels, groups, and messages may open inside Telegram, while external websites usually open in your browser. So if you're clicking a normal website link expecting it to open in the app, that's not how Telegram desktop is built to work. The good news is that once you understand this behavior, it becomes very easy to use. Just click the blue link, let your browser open, and continue from there. If this video saved you time, please go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials. And if you want more Telegram guides, check out the next video on screen.